Hey, I just got this new 56-inch Husky tool chest put together, got the wheels on and so forth, unpacked and ready to go, all set up. I gotta say, price was right for this. I got it at Home Depot, just in the city here, but for the price, I'm pretty darn impressed with it. Obviously, it's a decent size toolbox. It's got your 5 drawers. Comes with your keys, obviously, no doubt. Each drawer comes with a non-slip pad. Soft close. Plenty of space. We got a big honking drawer down below for bigger tools, and then of course it's got the door here. Oh, I've got that one locked up, but just get this unlocked. So yeah, so it's got a couple of shelves as well. We'll get those set up, and we'll get it filled up. I've been struggling with tools in my garage to find a nice home for them. I've looked at a few boxes. I just couldn't pull the trigger on anything. And then Home Depot had these on a special purchase, so I grabbed one. But so far, pretty happy with the construction. Pretty happy with the size of it. It's certainly gonna make a great addition to the garage, and just wanted to give an introduction to that. I think one of my favorite parts of this is certainly the wood top is awesome, but just the fit and finish of everything, just super heavy duty, looks great. They had black and a red alternative colors available, but I really like the gray. Looks awesome, and it'll do the trick for me for sure. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.